To do a push-up, first place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Then, extend both of your legs so you're resting on your toes. Engage your core and make sure you're not arching your back. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels, which will make your push-ups more effective. When you're ready, lower down to the floor, keeping your elbows in toward your rib cage. Now, push down into your hands to raise yourself back up to the starting position. Do as many push-ups as you can while still maintaining good form. As you build strength, doing push-ups will get easier and you'll be able to do more of them. For an easier push-up variation, keep your knees on the floor and cross your legs over each other. Then, lower yourself down to the floor and push yourself back up, like you would for a regular push-up.